how to access your Facebook ad account. Now remember, if you have a Facebook profile, automatically you have your Facebook ad account. So you can easily access this, and that is what I want to walk you through in this short video, because I noticed that some persons here are finding it difficult to access their Facebook ad account. Like the personal ad account. No, not this one is not the ad account inside Business Manager. The personal ad account is what I'm talking about here. So first thing to do, if you are using your phone, remember that you need to turn up your default app. Like this is what I mean. If you are using your phone, go to the Facebook app, then go to the app information. If you long press the app on your home screen, you see this icon here. Click on the icon, then scroll down, see where they say set as default. Click on the set as default, then off this particular button here so that it will not open supported link. After that, go to your Chrome browser. When you get to your Chrome browser, what you need to do in your Chrome browser is very simple. Turn your browser to desktop mode, your Chrome browser to desktop mode. Then log into your account. When you turn your browser to desktop mode, log into your Facebook account. That is the account you want to use in running the Facebook app on that browser. So when you log into that browser, anything I'm going to do on the desktop here is the same thing you'll be doing there. So now let's get started. The first thing you now have to do is to log in, which I just explained. So you put in your details, click on the login button, then log into that profile. Now this is the profile. Now notice that this is the name of the profile I want to use. Look at the name I want to use. Why I ask you to notice this, because the personal ad account usually comes with the name of the profile itself. Take note of that. The personal ad account usually comes with the name of the profile account itself. So look at the name here. So now the next thing you need to do is to paste this link. Look at the link, facebook.com/adsmanager. So you paste this link direct. You just paste this link direct. When you paste it, all what you need to do is to click on or enter. If you're using your phone anywhere you're using, just click on enter. So let's see the ad account. Boom. This is the ad manager, and the ad manager here opens up on the personal profile ad account. Now, how do you know that? How are you sure that this is the profile, the default ad account, the personal ad account? So what you need to do is click on this button here. See? So now look at it. The ad account, only one ad account is in this account, and that is the account. You can see the one account that is here has the same name with the profile name. So by this, you are very sure that when you are creating campaign here, you are creating under your personal ad account. Meanwhile, if there were other accounts, you will see them here. They will be listed here. If you have Business Manager in the account and then you have other ad account inside, it will be listed here. But since there is no other ad account here, and I have not created in this account, the person who owns this account did not create anything. So you can see, and again, note that if you do not have any campaign, you will not see anything here. So nothing will be at this side. Thank you very much. I hope this particular video helps.